Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious and creamy strawberry cheesecake ice cream without an ice cream maker. This recipe is super easy and only requires a few ingredients. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll need strawberry puree, sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese, vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, and graham crackers. And remember, you can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Now you're going to take a large mixing bowl and use a mixer to beat the cream cheese until it's light and fluffy. But make sure the cream cheese is set to room temperature so it can soften up. And if you're pressed for time, you can soften the cream cheese in a bowl of warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, add the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract to the bowl and mix until well combined. Now you're going to take a different large mixing bowl that's chilled and whip the heavy cream until you start to see stiff peaks form. Prior to this step, it's best to have the bowl in the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes to help the heavy whipping cream to whip up faster. Now you're going to take a small amount of the whipped cream and mix it into the cream cheese mixture. Afterwards, gently fold the whipped cream a little bit at a time into the cream cheese mixture until fully incorporated. Next, you're going to pour the mixture into a chilled freezer-safe container. Now add your strawberry puree and take a butter knife to swirl it around the mixture. And the recipe for the strawberry puree will be linked in the description below. Next, crumble your graham crackers into the ice cream mixture, making sure it's evenly distributed. And now you're going to repeat the process, layering the ice cream mixture, strawberry puree, and crumbled graham crackers on top of each other until you reach the top of the container. Once you're done, cover the ice cream with plastic wrap and a lid. Using plastic wrap will help prevent ice crystals from forming, allowing your ice cream to stay fresh longer. Now freeze the ice cream for 6 hours or overnight until the ice cream is firm. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out delightcooking.com where you can find more delicious recipes to make at home. See you in the next video. Bye!